All right, let's see if my RZR can withstand the Canadian blizzard. Let's get into it.
Man, the all-wheel drive fucking doesn't work. What a joke.
All right, step one is gonna be to snow blow my driveway. 30 centimeters of snow, about 90 gusts, a wind last night. As you guys can see, drifts are pretty big. But yeah, here's my snowblower. So she ain't much to look at, but she hasn't let me down yet. Choke it out. A couple pumps. 2, 3, 4, 5. See if you'll go. Oh, there she is. All right, we got the driveway clean. It'd be pretty embarrassing if my bike didn't even make it out of my garage, so I had to get that done. But oh man, that snowblower, I'm telling you, free snowblower. Works great. Look at this. You can't beat that. Anyways, let's get into the video. All right, so what we gotta do, we gotta start this bad boy up. Got it on the trickle charge because this battery will die. Oh, like nothing.
Rocking the old exhaust leak.
All right, challenge is gonna be simple. So I'm gonna take the trails. I'm sure the trails aren't groomed. We got about 30 feet of snow, as you guys can see from the driveway. Goal is gonna be to get to destination, most Canadian one I can think of, which would be Tim Hortons, which is way over there. So the challenge is, what I'm gonna do is, I gotta keep it in two-wheel drive as long as I can go. So I'm gonna try to keep it in two-wheel drive pretty much the whole way. If I gotta put it in four-wheel drive, well, that's one challenge I didn't make. I'm gonna go off trail at some point to see if I can actually go off trail in this thing. As you guys can see, I got mud tires on here, which are good for, I think, deep snow, but on like slick, packed down, which I don't think we'll have to deal with today, I think we're gonna be okay. Third challenge, I gotta do some sick shitties. Shitties? I gotta do some sick things. I gotta do some, what are they called? Cyclones. I'm gonna try my first cyclone today. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, I don't really know how to feel about you, girl. I've been stuck in my head and I don't know what to do. How do you feel about me? How do you feel about me, girl? It's how we used to be, it's how we used to be.
So we have made it about, you guys will see from the video, I won't even speed it up, maybe 30 seconds in two-wheel drive. She ain't good. We're already buried. Windshield, all messed up. We only got another 29.5 kilometers to go. No big deal. As you guys can see, what's going on? She's a little deep. I think we're gonna have to try her in all-wheel drive because, yeah, the challenge didn't work too well. Again, you know, she was ripping. No, she was ripping. She was ripping a little bit there.
You were made for me at all. Give it up, cause I know that you're not satisfied at all. Can we talk about the way that you just pushed me against the wall? Said enough, cause I know you like to lie to me, girl. Cause I just wanna know, cause I just wanna know.
How do you feel about me? How do you feel about me, girl?
All right, guys, I think we came to our first problem here, all right? So I was giving her a little too much. A little bit of snow came up here and I couldn't really see. So let's kind of get out and see what we're working with here. Yeah, this ain't good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. She's buried. Absolutely buried here, boys. I don't know about this challenge here, guys. We're about 1.5 kilometers in, maybe. And we came up to a pretty decent looking snow hill right here. I'm gonna shut the bike off, maybe get the shovel out here. Send help, guys? Can I have some, you know, it'd be nice if, you know, I had a little winch right here, you know what I mean? Just winch me, boys, just winch me. All right, so let's start the shoveling. All right. I wonder if it's that easy. Do you think it might be that easy? Obviously, I'm gonna turn around because I'm not. You guys can see, nice little warming hut over there. It should be nice, huh? That'll be nice, I think. Holy shit, this is definitely like drifted. I don't know, it's gotta be drifted at least 4 feet. 3 to 4 feet. It's almost up to my nipples. My nipples, holy. Oh, this is why I don't go to the gym. Oh, you can literally build a snow fort on how much snow there is. All right, she still looks pretty buried. I'm gonna try just to come onto her a little bit more. Again, just packed full of snow. But I got both tires, so maybe I'll be able to kind of jimmy it out. We'll wait and see. I don't know. But oh my God, look at the size. It's literally almost over my hood. Like if I was in mud, that'd be bad. All right, let's try though. I'm gonna try to reverse in low maybe. Oh, I can't reverse in low. There's only reverse. See if it works or not. Nope, not a thing, eh? Oh, she moved. She moved there for a second. She did move a little bit. See if I move up a little bit. Nope. My tires are just spinning. All right, let's shovel that out. Look at this. This tire isn't even touching. This tire isn't even touching. Look at this. Hey, good time to check the wheel bearing. Oh, that's not good. That needs a wheel bearing. Oh, real bad. That's a problem for another day. Is this one too? Yeah. How's this wheel bearing? Oh, a little better, I guess. Maybe the snow's holding it in. Not good. I feel like I'm just digging myself a bigger hole. I need a winch right on the back. That'd be nice, eh? Come on to her, be nice to me. Be nice to me, baby. Oh, come on, baby. She moved a little bit. Oh my God. Man, oh man. This thing is buried. See, the mud tires, I think, are good in deep snow, but not this deep of snow. So I'm gonna have to get a piece of wood or something. There's this big one, but I friggin' knocked down a tree. I wonder if I can break this. Maybe a little bit. Maybe we'll wait and see. See if I can use this to kind of grip maybe a little bit on one tire. Ah, Jesus, that ain't good. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. There we go. All right. Let's see if this is gonna work. Maybe. This ain't good. I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do now. So I feel like my tires are just spinning. Shut her back down, I think. I'm not wearing the head thing because I'm not confident this is coming out. But if it does, it does. time I don't have my camera on. All right, there's an idea. There we go. I just had to put her forward and backwards, but we got her out. Holy, look at this thing. So as you guys can see, I kind of pushed myself up here, and then I was sitting up on this bank, but if you guys can see, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not a tall guy, but what is this? It's got to be at least 4.5. I wasn't getting through that. There's always next time though. That's what we're doing. Now, let's see if we can get back home, because it has been way too long. Let's take a look at the old bike. Old bike's looking good. She's looking pretty good. Sure, I think I'm just gonna kind of back into this, and then I'll be able to go back the other way. All right, let's hope we can turn this bad boy around, because yeah, I can't really see where I'm going. So we're just gonna back this up. There we go. Hopefully I didn't just get stuck. There's a good chance. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, here we go, RZR. All right. And we are on our way. I really wish I could have made it. But yeah, this snow is so deep. Pretty crazy actually. So if we recap, maybe not the most successful trip in my side-by-side. I think we come back again though, that's the thing. Like if I didn't hit that huge drift, oh my god, we'd be sipping our Tim Hortons, a couple donuts. Oh boys, I don't even have her in high, that's why I'm revving so high. We gotta put this in high gear right there, boys. Oh, that's much better. Still didn't get the chance to do any cyclones. Can't really do any drifts, guys, because the drifts are so brutal. Oh, there we go. Never say can't. Oh, whoa, almost lost her. Oh, whoa. But yeah, overall, guys, like, challenge failed. You know what I mean? Like, the RZR couldn't handle. I couldn't handle the 4.5 foot. The 4.5 foot. Yeah, the RZR just couldn't handle the 4.5 feet of snow drifts. But I swear, this thing is burnt. Can't believe no one else is out here. Oh, whoa, can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Oh, I can't see. All right, guys. So for challenge number 1, we're gonna mark that as a. Yeah, that didn't go as planned. The RZR, she still did me good. I say we come back, maybe when there's not as much drifts, or maybe I'll take another way at some point, because that was definitely fun. But an hour and 40 minutes of shoveling, maybe it wasn't on the challenge list, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this type of content, you guys just like and subscribe, okay? All right, I'm gonna try to do something now. No, oh no, I think I just lost my, oh boys, that couldn't have been good. Oh no, I think I lost my trail pass. That ain't good. Thank God I noticed that. Hey, like and subscribe, guys. I need a new trail pass. Crazy.
Everybody walk with me because I'm up now. Took your girl and I'm scoring like I made the touchdown. Swerving in that Lambo, doors go up, not on the bus now. Used to want a G-Shock, now I'm walking with a bus now.